Eyeball. Oh, it is recording. Yeah. Your bird was like squawking at me. Don't get it out. Your bird was squawking at me and I looked at it and it stopped. And she got it out. Hi, did you? Doesn't it like hurt when it like it just hits the wings? We got a runaway bird. I don't even think it's it. Does it say what is it? Oh! I got it! Yeah! I want to show them on this video. I have a mohawk. It's matching us, but it's got yellow. It's giving me an evil look. I don't like it. It has banana. So how does it look? I've never actually touched a bird. Seriously? I touched one, but like it was like my grandma's, and I was like 8. I bet you want to put it in my face. Yeah. Yep. That was about 7 years ago. Why do you guys like to do math so much? Turtle! Get on my hand. Or bite my hand. That works too. Yep. Look, I got a bird now. Look, guys. Should I get a bird? Birdie. Get it on your hand now. I should get a pet bird. You want to give me a pet bird for my birthday? I'll try. A bird for my birthday. My birthday. It's my birthday. Ow, it bit me. Instead of his birthday, it's a birthday. He doesn't have a birthday. He has a birthday. Why is he getting closer to you? Oh, hi. Why did your bird bite my fingernail? No. He has a tail. I'm not afraid of you. Kiss the bird. Kiss the bird. I'm good. Put like right here. The camera's at the window. Like right here. Is it a grizzly? We are not getting the rats out though. You're not. Do you kiss grizzly? Would you sleep with grizzly if he was bigger? Well, he would run away, so no. But like if he was bigger and trained. He'd be more of a football. You still have to hold on to him, don't you? But look. He likes to wander everywhere. No! He's like a little cat. Meow. Meow. Put his face like that. I'm a cat! On his face, he's gonna be scared of it now. Just don't let the bird, don't ever let the bird out when that thing's out. You might have a dead grizzly after that. CJ, you just like that. Is CJ the one that you've had for a while? I've had him for a little bit. Show him. This is his tail. It's a nub. Hi! Did you like calling your shit once when you were messing with it? Yeah. And he's gotten no pants before. Don't go that way. You gotta stay in camera view. Sorry. No, just get it. Nope. Stay in camera view. I need a bigger lens. No. Well, why can't you stay here? Just stay here, man. If you can just sit there in your cage right here, you just sit in here. Just, no. Alright. He's kind of bigger than the others. He's also scared. He's also really, really fast. Hi. He likes people. You like being pet? See, he's staying. Ow! You have really sharp claws. Yeah. They're Clayton. Clayton Jr. CJ stands for Clayton Jr. Really? Yeah. He's shy. Close up. Close up. Hi, buddy. This has been 12 minutes of us just messing with stuff. Hey! Stay. Hi. They're gonna go on my shoulder. Yeah. It's like tiny cats. Besides, cats would probably... Did you see that bug flying? Yeah. Stay away. Long tail. It's flopping everywhere. Right round. Spin it. I don't think he likes that. Spin your tail. The stomach. Doesn't everybody have a stomach though? Yeah. He's like, hey, he's terrified. Look at his eyes. He's literally like, terrified. How small are they? Are they like grizzly size? No, they're smaller. Let's do it. Let's do it, Litter. Yep. Now you. He's soft. I will hold in my hand because you aren't so terrifying. And you got fuzz on me. That one's cute. Do a close up, man. I have shadow and rat. I like shadow. Look at this tail. It has black on it. My mom would kill me if I ever got a rat. Why? Because she'd be scared to get out. It's hiding under your leg. Like literally under your leg. I'm liking you. Say hi, Jake. He was totally sniffing me. You just like knocked him over. You could knock him out in one poke. Just poke. Say hi, Jake. Why is he hiding? I'm not hiding. Come here. You can hide on the man. Should I get Rex out now? I guess. So this is Rex. Oh yeah. You don't even know him. Well, it looks similar. The only difference is the black on the back. It's like don't wobble his brain. That's what is freaking out, man. Okay, wait. Don't freak it out, man. Let it down for a second, maybe. If we just block it in. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff. Maybe I should get Shadow out?
This is Rex.
Yeah.
Yeah, get Shadow out.
He's the last one.
Oh yeah, no, before the camera does it again.